So I just got this trim from Amazon. It's like $50. Yeah, so expensive for a plastic trim actually. And the reason why is because I got a missing trim in here. Yep. And actually the fitment is probably fine. And then they supplied you with the 3M double-sided tape. I will not use so this is what I'm going to use, a plastic emblem and trim adhesive. This is way better than the 3M adhesive tape. So I'm gonna put it here, all the way up here, probably in the middle, so that it will get squished to the side. I got all the adhesive in. Yep, covering the holes. So the problem with this is that on this area here, it tends, I think it's bowed out, so it tends to like move away or not stick here. But yep, I got a hard time actually trying to put this one in place because it's flexing outside here. See this one? Yep. Got some trim material that got smeared in here because it tends to move. But yeah, you could easily like wipe that out. I'm probably gonna stick some stuff in here so that it will adhere, but yeah, this side is bowing out. It's like the top one is fine. Need to put more adhesive in here. Probably put some tape too. Well, yeah, just put some tape to make it stick.